Right. So 2 points kudutharone, you can easily draw the line and you can that's a fully described. A line is drawn. Line, we are able to draw the line. This is a one story. That's why you have a 2-point form of a straight line. Okay. Draw. What is the reason? 5 people are 6. I think Sai has joined now. Namma guys are all dropped out. Who are all that? Okay, yeah, maybe network issues. Jeevit is the first one to drop. Why? Because Sai, good evening.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. I had some work. That's it.
Good. No issues. Okay, no problem. Right. Friends, here, equation of a line is nothing but mathematical description of a line. If the 2 points are given, the line is fully described now. Then you have to write the equation here. And when the 2 points are given, you can find out the slope of a line here. Friends, slope is the integral part of a line. With just basing on the slope formula, you are going to derive each and every type of equation of a line. Yes. First of all, I'll tell you what are the types of equations of a line based on the given things. Okay. So, friends, here the types of equations of line. Yes. Types of equations of line. Now, how many different ways you can express the line? You can describe a line. Number 1, horizontal line. Yes. What do you mean by a horizontal line? Which is parallel to x-axis. Okay, which is parallel to x-axis. Gokul, Kavi, Mohan, Matesh, okay, Ram, Jeevit, okay. Horizontal line part. Next is called vertical line. This is what do you mean by a horizontal line part, please? Any line parallel to x-axis, okay? Any line parallel to x-axis is called horizontal line. Yes. Any line parallel to y-axis is called vertical line. This is a vertical line and this is a horizontal line. Okay. So you please tell me, horizontal line is at a particular height to the x-axis. Yes or no? Yes. Horizontal line is at a particular height to the y-axis. Please understand this. Horizontal line is at a height of k units from x-axis. Is vertical line at width of k units from y-axis. I told you height means what? Y coordinate. Width means what? X coordinate. That's 2 over. So horizontal line, this height is k, dears. This height is k. This height is k. This width is also I am writing k. That means what? Y is k units. Y is k units. In the path in the line mela path. This is called 0, k. This is called 1, k. This is called k, k. This is called 10, k. So that's why equation of this horizontal line is called y equal to k, dears. If it is 2 units, y equal to 2. Friends, vertical line. Width of k units from the y-axis. That means what? The width of x coordinate. X equal to k units. This is called K comma 0. This is called K comma 1. This is called K comma K. This is called K comma 10. So what is constant here is X is constant, my dear. Therefore, X equal to K minus. So horizontal line equation is what? Y equals to K. Vertical line equation X equal to K. Something like 2 units X equal to 2. Y equal to 3. In 3 this height is 3 and now we could say Y equal to 3. If this width is 2 units you could say X equal to 2. Is it clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Right. All of you, dears?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. This is okay, simple one. So we are able to write down equation formula. Is it right? Y equal to K means what? How do you describe it, ma? Mathematically, Y equal to K. How do you say in English, ma? Y equal to K.
Y is constant, sir.
Yes, ma?
Y is constant.
That is fine. But in a better way, line parallel to x-axis. Horizontal line or line parallel to x-axis. Horizontal line is also called as line parallel to x-axis. Vertical line, line parallel to y-axis. Okay? Done. Next one, third one, dear, third one. Take it down, dear, take it down. Third one is called slope and intercept form of a line, dear. Slope and intercept form of a line. Let me write first all the forms, okay? Now, when a slope is given to you and one of the intercept is given to you, please, slope is given. Always two conditions must be given, ma. Two things must be given. Why another na solradhu? Slope intercept form of a line, two things must be given, ma. Two parameters must be given. Any line you take, ma, any line you take. Number 4, point and slope. Slope point form, slope intercept form, slope and point form or point slope form, anyway you could say, ma. Number 5, இங்க ஒரு பாயிண்ட் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, 2 point form, dears, 2 point form. Number 6, இங்க ஒரு intercept இருக்கு, ரெண்டு intercept, ma, intercept form of a line. That's why I think I will write like this so that you understand better. 4, slope intercept form, first one. Next one is intercept form. Here only one intercept is given. Here two intercepts are given now. Here one intercept and slope is given. Now slope is not given. Both the intercepts are given now. Next one, fifth one, please. Fifth one. After that, let's go for another parallel. Your parallel, please. Next is slope and point form. Slope and point form. Sixth one, 2 point form, dears. In the point slope point 3, in the slope cut panninga, in the slope cut panninga, ipo slope cut panninga. 2 point form. For knowledge, okay. Number 7, dears. Normal form of a line. Normal form of a line. So it was these 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will write their equations and see, okay, how to derive these equations for each one, yes, by using the given condition. Right. So please write down. I will give each one first formula. Let me see. First one is slope under the MDS. Okay. We know that slope is denoted by M. The intercept under the, what do you mean by intercept, DS? Is it y-intercept or is it x-intercept? There are only two axes are there, x-axis and y-axis. We are drawing a line. That line could cut the x-axis. It could cut both axes, no doubt. But only one of them is given, one intercept is given. Say y-intercept is given now. Slope and y-intercept is given. This is one part. Or slope and x-intercept is given. This is another part. There are two parts. Slope is no doubt. But intercept under which intercept is given? Is it x-intercept or y-intercept? Therefore, that's why you have A part and B part. Right. Intercept form is simple. We'll come to first one by one here. So let me try first slope intercept form of a line this. I hope you have taken all the forms. Here, theory part. Next is the slope intercept form. Slope and intercept form. Particularly, we are talking about slope and y-intercept form. Slope is denoted by M and y-intercept is denoted by C form. What do you mean by intercept? What do you mean by intercept? Anybody, guys? Anybody? See, yes, this is called y-intercept. Suppose if I write this length is B, from here to here is B, this is horizontal. The B is called y-intercept. B is called y-intercept. It is only a distance now, okay? Distance at which the line is cutting the y-axis is called the y-intercept. So, the length at which, or distance at which the line is cutting the y-axis is called y-intercept. Same way, this is not given by somewhere it will cut the x-axis also. A line has to cut both the axes. See, I am giving now this one, x-intercept is given now. It is cutting at the distance of A from the x-axis. A from the horizon. So A is called the x-intercept. B is called the y-intercept. In the manner, okay, please. But time being, we are taking C here. Y-intercept is called C. What is this point is called, ma? What do you say this point? Anybody can tell point? Google.
0, C, sir.
Brilliant, sir. Brilliant. 0, C. What is this point, my here?
A, 0, sir.
A, 0. Brilliant. That's all. Suppose if I take this as D, then what do you say? D, 0 is C, is D mark. Please, okay? Certain things are reserved, okay? Therefore, friends, here M is called slope and C is called the y-intercept. So let us write the equation of the line mark. So line, let us say slope is given and y-intercept is given. Now, whose slope is m and y-intercept is given as c. That is called 0, c for some point A. Friends, if you want to write the equation of a line, you should know that xy general point. Let xy be the general point. Let xy be the any point, not only any general point, any point. Let xy be any point on the line, any point whichever you want. You don't know which point it is, okay? Let xy be any point on the line. Right. Slope and intercept form. Yes, now, friends, very, very simple. Yes. என்னடா இது கிளாஸ் என்ன எதுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி போறாங்க ஜனங்களை why they are leaving the class? Who and all left? It's disturbing me a lot. Right. I don't know how to change these guys. Sudarshan has gone. Jeevit fellow from the beginning he is missing. Okay. Right. Okay, ma. See, very simple, ma. Every derivation can be done like this. Ma. Very simple way. I'll tell you, just follow it. Slope or a definition, follow, please. Follow the definition of the slope, yes. Slope m is nothing but what, ma? These are the 2 points, my dears. x1, y1, x2, y2. So, friends, we know that slope equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, yes. So, who is y2? Anyone you take it, my x1, y1 is x2, y2, please. y2 minus y1, c minus y by x2 minus x1, 0 minus x, that is called MDS. So, each derivation is based on the definition of a slope when 2 points are given, yes. This is the core definition on which every equation depends. Every equation you can derive it. Over. Now you cross multiply it. 0 into m is 0 minus x is minus x. C minus y by minus x. So m equal to c minus y by minus x, which implies minus mx equals to c minus y. Okay? So which implies the minus y inside minus plus y equals to mx plus c ds. Y equals to mx plus c. That is the equation of a line. This is called slope and this is called y-intercept. That's why I wrote here m and c. Slope is m and y-intercept is c ds. Note the figure, note pannunga. You need to consider one general point called xy ds. General point called xy. Let xy be any point on the line. Right. Shall I go for the next one?
Yes, sir.
If a slope and the x-intercept form, okay, same x-intercept, okay, instead of y-intercept, you take x-intercept. Let us call c as it, d and call panna. It's not, y-intercept is not given now. The line is cutting the x-axis at d. A, this is called d, 0. Slope is given m. And let us take general point called xy. This is one point, this is another point, please. That's all. M equal to y2 minus y1. Come on, write it now. y2 minus y1, y minus 0 by x minus d. Cross multiply pannunga. M into x minus d equal to y. That's all, yes. So, you got slope intercept formula வந்து y intercept கொடுத்தா you can write y equal to mx plus c. Slope intercept formula வந்து x intercept கொடுத்தா you can write y equal to n into x minus dds. See the two different formulas. Concept is same, but depending on what is given, you are getting this. Right. Shall I go for second one now? Slope y intercept is done. Slope x intercept is done now. Next one, please. Right. Next one is called intercept form of a line. So the name itself is very clear. You have been given both intercepts, x intercept and y intercept. That's called, let us say the line, take the line here, which is cutting the both x-axis and y-axis at A and B. Now you, whatever the names you want to keep for intercepts, you can keep it. Earlier C and D you put it individually is given, but now both are given. You take, let A is the x-intercept, standard mile, and B is y-intercept. You can keep anything, but we'll keep a standard one. Okay. If A is the x-intercept, what is the point A ma? A comma 0. B is the y-intercept. What is that point ma?
0 comma b, sir.
0 comma b, sir.
When 2 points are given, you know how to write the slope over m equal to intercept forma m equals to, okay, I think I need to connect take general point ma, take general point here x comma y. Take always a general point, otherwise where is x and y ma? X and y, how do you write the equation, right? So take a general point x comma y. Now you tell me, dears, slope of this segment is equal to slope of this segment is equal to slope of AB, correct?
Yes, sir.
Because A, B, C are collinear. A, B, C are collinear. Right. Friends, you take ABC 3 way, this is given to you, this is given to you. Slope, please tell me. What is slope? Tell me first. Take AC first. AC, slope of AC is equals to what? Slope of AB. This is full AB. Because this point is known, this point is known. Other part you can take either this part or this part, okay? Right. Slope of AC, ma. Can you tell me slope of AC, yes, one of you? Yes, Google.
A minus x by 0 minus y.
Once again.
0 minus y by 0 minus y by A minus x.
Wonderful. Or y minus 0 by x minus a. Y2 minus y1. Y minus 0 by x minus a. Slope of AB. Matesh, tell me please. Matesh is not there. Okay. Sudarshan. Slope of AB, dear. Sai? One of you please tell me, are fast.
A minus B.
Yes?
Sure. A minus B.
Purila.
A minus B.
Hey, y2 minus y1. Stupid. y2 minus y1. B minus 0. By 0 minus a. x2 minus x1. Please. Yeah. So if the y by x minus a is equal to b by minus a. Minus ay is equals to b into x minus a. Minus ay equals to bx minus ab. X and y ஒரு சைடு எடுத்துக்கோங்க please, and ab minus all minus make into plus mark. Minus ab இந்த சைடு வந்தா plus ab, bx plus ay. Divide with ab. Y we want to get 1 here. Say divide with ab. What do we get here? 1. bx by ab. ab by ab எழுதுங்க. Okay, let us understand fully. Plus ay by ab ma. Okay, ay by ab. So the ab cut ஆயிடும், we get a 1. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is 1, and this bb cut, that is called x by a, and aa cut, this is called y by b ma. That's all. Yes. This is the intercept form of a line ma. What are given to you? A and b are given. A is the x-intercept and b is the y-intercept. Therefore, x by a plus y by b is 1ds. That's all simple. So nice. Is the best formula in equation of a line. Simplest one, nice one. You love to draw the line as well as equation of this. Right. Over?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Shall I go for next one? Next one? Next is the slope point form here. Next is the slope point form of a line. Slope point form of a line. Please look at it. Slope on a MDS, point on a x1 comma y1. Please understand this thing now, please. Sir, sometimes you write x comma y, sometimes you call x1 y1. What is this, sir? Unknown point or a variable point is called x comma y. Known or a given point is called x1 comma y1. Note this point. Given point means you should write in terms of x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Okay. Unknown point or variable point na x comma y ds. Okay. Given point means you can write x1, one point na x1 y1, two point na x2 y2, 3 points na x3 y3. But unknown point is called x comma y ds. Unknown is called x comma y. So this one, please have a clarity. Friends, here slope point form of a line. M is given, x1, y1 is given. Draw the line now. The line whose slope is given as m and whose point, one point is called given as x1 comma y1. You take a general point x comma y. Friends, There are 2 points are there. A is given point and B is unknown point. That's called x comma y. You know the 2 points are there here. Therefore, you can write the equation formula for MDS. You can write y minus y2 minus y1. So y minus y1 by x minus x1. That's our lower. You simply cross multiply style kaga, okay? M into x minus x1, yes, m into x minus x1 equal to y minus y1. Or you can write y minus y1 is m into x minus x1. That's the way we do it. But otherwise, everything is equation. This also equation, this also equation of this one. Okay. I hope it's clear, ma, please, all of you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me. Ram, enna Ram, what is this? You are coming, going, what is this?
The internet problem, sir.
Ayyo, kadale. Right. So friends, this is called slope and point for line perma. This is slope is m, given, point is given, unknown point at slope and definition is leading to derive each and every formula, yes, each and every formula. So this is the formula of standard one. Please, I hope you can remember this. Or you can write y minus, this one is the best one. Okay? Easy one, right? Slope is 2-point formula. Slope is 2-point formula. Slope by 2-point formula is driving all our derivations. Next one, 2-point form of a line. Yes, come on, take it. Have you taken this?
Yes, sir.
2-point form, yes. 2-point form of a line. Anna, what do you mean by 2-point form of a line for anybody? What is the 2-point form of a line for? Means what? 2 point kuduthirukanga. That's all. They have given 2 points. One point is A, another point is B. This is called x1 comma y1 and this is called x2 comma y2. And take another unknown point is called x comma yc. Friends, if I convert, just now you have given, please, when this point is known and slope is known, what did you write, ma, please? What did you write, please? Earlier, point slope form, please understand this, point slope form was there earlier, previous case, okay? M is this and point is x1 comma y1. For any equation, m equal to y minus y1 by x minus x1. Yes or no? Yes? Or m into x minus x1 equal to y minus y. This is what you wrote, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
அப்ப முன்னாடி வந்து m was known to us. இப்ப m தெரியலமா. இப்ப m தெரியல. Therefore, what is simple reason? You find m and you substitute in this. That become 2-point formula, dear. Simple. எப்படி சார்னா? Okay. You do one thing, ma. A, B, C are collinear or not? Just like intercept form பண்ண பாருங்க. A, B, C are collinear. So slope of AC is equal to AB. It must be because A and B are known. Repeating, you should not take slope of BC anything, okay? It must be BC and AB. AB should be there, yes, okay? Slope of AC. Can you please tell me slope of AC, Sai?
So y2, okay.
Look at this and tell
So
me.
x minus x1. X minus x1.
slope of CA. Y2
So y minus
minus
y1.
x2 minus x1. Y minus y1 by x minus x1. Slope of AB, dear. Slope of AB. Ram?
Sir, y minus y1 by x minus x1.
Look at the thing and tell me slope of AB. I am asking. Look at the figure. Are you watching the board?
Sir, I can't see the full board, sir.
Why? Oh, this figure you are not able to see, is it? Okay. Sorry. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. X1, see, y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2.
Or y2, brilliant. Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, dear. That's all, dear. What do you call this one now? What do you call this one?
M, sir.
Oh, that's all. The same case. Here, M we are writing differently, ma. It's all different 2-point form and so on. This is called 2-point form, yes. Is it not? M is, can I replace this with M?
Yes, sir.
Won't that become this only? I hope clear.
Yes, sir.
See, my names are different, my dears. This is a point and slope formula. M equal to y minus y1 by x minus x1. When the 2 points are known here, slope is what? Y2 minus y1 by x. In the place of M, you put this, you get a 2-point form of a line, dears. Okay, that's all, dears. That's about. Last one is called. See, ma, you did slope intercept form. You did intercept form. You did slope point form, you did 2-point form. What is left out, now? Last one is called normal form, yes. Normal form. Right. Last one is the normal form, so let's complete that. That's a beautiful one part, the toughest one, please. Here, what is given in the normal form? What is this normal? Friends, normal means what, please? I'll tell you, normal means perpendicular line. That's what you need to understand. Normal form. Normal means a perpendicular. Normal form of a line. Okay. How do you describe a normal form? என்னென்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க normal form னா பாருங்க please. Normal form of a line, okay? See, if there is a line here, the line is making line is there. This is called line. Whose equation we have to write it? When? Whose equation we have to write it? Line whose equation are writing, but what is given to you to write the equation? They are given length of the normal is given for. This is called O. Length of the normal from the origin is given, yes. So given length of the normal from the origin. That is called P man. The length வந்து P ன்னு சொல்றாங்க. The length. OM is a normal or ON is a normal, yes. This length is ON equal to P, my dears. Length is P. I am using standard proforma so that you could refer it. And he is also giving 1 and 2. Always 2 things must be given. You see throughout our 6 equations, 5 equations, we are giving 2 things. Slope, intercept. Point, slope. 2 points. Yes or no? So every time we are giving 2 things. So what is this 2 ma please here? Length of the normal from the horizon is given as P, and second one what should be given is that the normal is inclined alpha with x-axis, my dear. These are the 2 things given to you please here. That means this is called alpha, yes. Look at this, such a beautiful derivation, my dear. Very difficult one. Normal form. Because it is a normal is drawn from O, we are calling it the normal form. That's all. Friends, here, see how beautiful it is. How to transform this into the known forms now. The Maria form theorem, slope intercept theorem, 2-point form theorem, point slope theorem, right? Intercept theorem, form theorem form. In the normal form, we will transform my friends here. First, slope is here, right? Because whenever some angle is there, we can think about the slope. Google, what is this angle now?
180 minus 90 minus alpha.
This is nothing but 90 plus alpha, right? You are right. Array, exterior angle is nothing but sum of the 2 interior opposite angles. In the angle தேவைப்படும்னா இது விடுங்க. இது விட்டுட்டு இந்த ரெண்டு ஆட் பண்ணுங்க. 90 plus alpha is 90 plus alpha, my dears. Clear?
Yes.
Sudarshan is not there. 90 plus alpha, dears. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Friends, if I know that this is my line, the line is making an angle from the x-axis anti-clockwise is 90 plus alpha. Now, what is slope of the line now? What is slope of line? Tan 90 plus alpha. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
What is tan 90 plus alpha?
Minus
Yes.
cot alpha.
Brilliant. Whenever 90 is there, tan become cot and alpha, same angle you take it, but second quadrant tan is negative, so minus cot alpha. That is called slope mark. Do you agree, ma? Is it clear? So friends, you know the slope. Now, if you know the point, I can convert into point slope form. Yes. Slope தெரிஞ்சு போயிடுச்சு. ஒரு point வேணுமா, please. Let us see now. Friends, I can easily make n on a point I can find out now. Why? Because ON is there, right? This length is known. Try to understand this. Draw a perpendicular from the n, call it as m, yes. Now, use this one. See, friends, here, can you tell me what are the coordinates of n, dears? Anybody? Tell the coordinates of n. The n coordinates in terms of width and height. Please, come on. OM and MN. Do you agree, Pa?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Width and x and y coordinates. This is amazing. This is an amazing one, please. Friends, now can I write what is sin alpha, dears? What is sin alpha? Opposite by hypotenuse. Mn by p, right? Which implies Mn equal to what? P sin alpha. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What about alpha? Yes.
OM by P.
So OM is equals to P cos alpha or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now you replace the point is also known, yes. You know the point also now. Now OM is what? OM is P cos alpha, P cos alpha, and P sin alpha, yes, that is N. Is it okay now? You know the point, you know the slope, yes. Point slope form. Please tell me what is the point slope form now? Point slope form. Y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1 ds. Yes or no, yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You know the point and you know the slope. Slope is what? Cot alpha. M is minus cot alpha. புரியுதா சொல்றது புரியுதமா? Slope தெரியுது, point தெரியுது, so you can write this equation. Just substitute the things my here. M is minus cot alpha. X minus x1. What is this x1 my here? P cos alpha. Yes or no? P
Yes,
cos
sir.
alpha. Y minus y1. What is y1, dears?
P sin alpha.
And what is this minus cot alpha is nothing but minus cos alpha by sin alpha or not?
Yes, sir.
Wow. Y minus P sin alpha. Cos multiplied, yes. You get Y sin alpha minus P sin square alpha is equals to, okay? Okay, இதெல்லாம் எழுதுக்கோமா நான் வந்து I will rub this and write it fully. Please write down this fully. What a brilliant derivation பாருங்க. Have you taken ma?
Yes, sir.
All of you dears, Ram, have you taken? Mohan,
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
have
Yes,
you
sir.
taken? Yeah, please. Friends, here, the sin alpha is multiplied by cross multiply by minus cos alpha minus x cos alpha plus p cos square alpha. In the p sin minus alpha plus y sin alpha plus x cos alpha equal to p cos square alpha plus p sin square alpha is. Take p common, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. So it's called y sin alpha plus x cos alpha. What is this one, ma?
1, sir.
1. Therefore, it becomes p. I can write x first, y next one. So x for cos alpha, y for sin alpha. Wow. This is the normal form of a line series. Alpha is there. This is called alpha, and this is called length, and normal is p. In terms of p and alpha, it is there for you. X and y are general terms. Okay. I hope such a brilliant derivation form, please. Such a brilliant derivation, please. Please write it down, and tomorrow we will see all the problems. I will start working on exercise. It's amazing one. These all derivations are amazing, but it's not all easy. We are just striking with slope formula, yes. That's all right. See, this I'll tell once again. Just please note it down. Then I will explain at the last, and we'll wind up. Sudarshan, on and off. Why, ma? What is the reason? Okay. Friends, so for us, once again, I will draw the figure so that you can easily reconstruct it. There was a line. The line is drawn here with intercepts also. We don't know if it's intercept or not, but we have just drawn a line here which is cutting both the axes, but they have not given the intercepts. What is given to you is that from O, they have given you the length of the normal. This length OM equal to PDS. And NOM angle is alpha. These two things are given to us, friends. This is called alpha ds. You mark these points if you want, otherwise you leave it. Friends, and this is 90 degree. Normal means what? Perpendicular. I told you earlier, right? Normal means perpendicular line. So, friends, here, if this is pi and this is alpha, this is called 90 plus alpha. Yes, exterior angle, yes, exterior angle. And we can find out the slope of this line. What is slope now? M is tan theta. That means tan of 90 plus alpha. Correct?
Yes,
That is
sir.
nothing but minus cot alpha. That's all, minus cot alpha. Now, you know the slope. If you know the slope, options are limited, Manu. Slope, intercept, slope, point. Point, slope, slope, intercept, okay? So, already you know slope. Point, you don't know this point and this point. Intercepts, alpha in the point, this line is making alpha. In the point, we can find out by drawing a perpendicular. I said that this is called M. So, in the one, the OM x coordinate is OM and y coordinate is M and O. Then you write what is sin alpha, cos alpha. Sin alpha is this thing, and by writing you can write OM is P cos alpha and OM is MN is P sin alpha. Yes. Therefore, you know the point and you know the slope form. Point slope form. You write it y minus m. So put m is cut alpha minus cut alpha and x1 y1 are this point x1 y1. That's all. Yes. So x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is P, normal form. What I do is I will summarize all what we learned today. Therefore, you can go through it once, go home and go to the textbook if possible. If time is there with you, it will be very, very interesting. It's an amazing chapter. In the basics, you can 12th, mathematics, you can happy. Geometry side. Geometry is very, very powerful chapter. Geometry chapters are powerful that will link with any other. So ultimately, you have to terminate in geometry. For everything, life is geometry. Yeah. So slope, intercept form, point slope form, 2-point form, normal form. Yes. Slope intercept y equal to mx plus c if c is called y intercept. Then y equals to m into x minus d where d is called x intercept. Intercept form is very simple, x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Then point and slope form. Point and slope form is nothing but y minus y1 equals to m into x minus xy. 2-point form is nothing but same thing with y minus y1 by x minus x1 equal to m. The m is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
And the m I am putting this mark. Correct? So the m is written here. So normal form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to PDS. These are all the different forms of lines. With this, I think we can kill the exercise without any hindrance. Thank you very much, dears, and please take this and also go through the textbook, dears. Amazingly given. I have made it the best I have done it. I don't think you will have any problem. You all of you know, actually, if you observe it properly, every derivation is based on m equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Slope is the critical thing, please. Okay? Right, yes. Thank you very much. God bless you. Take care. Keep working. Don't get distracted, please. If you see today, I have put a status now. One of our teachers, Yuvraj sir, our profile, he has that quotation. I have taken from him actually. What is that quotation today? I put in the status. Did anybody see? I think Kavi has seen that. Sudarshan must have seen that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the quotation, please?
So starve your distractions, feed your focus.
Wow. Wow. Oh my God. Starve. Okay, beautiful word, ma. Starve your distractions. And another one is your focus now. One is the focus, the opposite is distraction. Here, starve means what? You just dry it. Dry out your distractions means what? Asya, you should not think about the distractions. You should have empty distractions, empty stomach. Starve it. Whereas, focus means what? Feed your focus. How much our want feed focus to the feed to the focus. Wow, how the great man has done that. Amazing. Some English poetry. Beautiful words. Okay, this is where lot of message is conveyed for it. Okay, I love this quotation. That's why I have given it for you all. Thank you, dears. God bless you. Take care. Keep working. And KVPY now, please, all of you apply Google, Madesh, everybody, Ram cannot apply because he is a science you have to write, please. I don't know, just find out that Ram. Whether you can apply. Principal man, you can find out. Right,
Yes,
thank you.
have some network problems, sir, so that we can't join the class. Have some network error, sir, so that he can't join the class also.
Okay. He is there now, he is there.
He's there, sir, but he can't be able to hear what you are talking, sir.
Okay. Right, no problem. Right, thank you very much. God bless you. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank